Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. It is February the 8th, 2021, just about 2 a.m. Eastern time, and we're going to talk about BTC, ADA, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, VET, XLM, DOT, BNB, and all of that good stuff. All right. So, it is going to be a special live stream. It's supposed to be a premium live stream, but I'm just going to give it to you guys. So we're going to get our weekly outlook regarding these, 7 coins and all of that good stuff. All right. So if you're new to our content, make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, join our public Telegram group, link in the description. The Discord public group is also link for the Discord public, group also in the description. All right. So we're gonna scan the market, good stuff. So let's see. Hopefully the streaming won't be going crazy this time. Last time it was going crazy when I was doing my VET, macro analysis. I need to do that, repeat that, that analysis once again, right? Because the streaming was not that. The last stream week. Okay, so ADA looking very. ADA is still looking very juicy right here. So ADA is still looking very juicy versus BTC. Beautiful setup. Already broke our resistance 1400 sats, right? So pretty juicy. The USD is looking pretty nice to the upside, right? So let's go very aggressively to the upside. So we're going to take a look at it also, right? So yeah, for some reason I think the video is buffering, so and too much time like doing it live. Might just record it if you guys having any trouble watching. So Bitcoin is just about 39,000. So we also going to talk about Bitcoin, right? So CRV, one of our top pick guys. We've been talking about CRV. I gave you CRV when it was like under $1, guys. Mentioning when it was $1 after we broke resistance right here. We said, make sure to accumulate because sucker gonna be going to above $10 and all of that good stuff, right? So DOT, it is also looking pretty nice, back above 20. So most likely going to be breaking out this week. We're going to talk about it. EGLD, one of our best pick guys, was a hold at $7 range, $8. We talk about it right now. It is almost like 150. Okay, almost 150. So the next coin to be paying attention to also over the next like a few weeks and so on, it is going to be FIL coin. Beautiful accumulation, just like EGLD. We could get like a $250 to $500 FIL coin over the next few months. So something to keep an eye on. Kava also looking pretty juicy, guys. We talked about Kava when it was like $1.50, guys, right there, right? I told you Kava hold it up to $3. We're gonna upgrade our target and we're looking for above $5 range, right? So let me do this. I think it is not. It is still unlisted. That's why. Right. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys time to show up because so Kava looks pretty juicy. Link, no brainer. Guys, we already got an $80 target for Link, so I don't have to go through it, right? So we're gonna talk about it in details later on. You take a look at OMG, beautiful setup in our premium. We've been accumulating OMG. It should be a weekly. I'm going to add it to the weekly analysis, right, later on, right? But OMG, we've been accumulating right here, just about like $3, $3.04, and so on. And we, upgraded our target, hit our $4.8 to $5. So now we're going to be looking for potentially up to $12 over the next few weeks and so on, right? So keep an eye on OMG, right? Neo also a nice setup. It is one of our recent pick over the and looking for a beautiful breakout over the next like a few days and so on, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at our weekly review, right? That's gonna be our 4th week. You know, so we're gonna talk about BTC, BNB, of course. Okay, dot file, not file, but vet, Zilliqa, Ethereum, add Ethereum. Let's do this. So it's already 5 minutes, so that's good enough. Ethereum, yeah. Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. It is moving very slow, but once we start pumping, most likely Bitcoin Cash going to catch up, and it is likely to do very, very well over the next like a few weeks and so on. So keep an eye on VET. I mean Bitcoin Cash and VET also. All right. Excellent. Let me see, Litecoin. Hey, what's up, Craig? So guys, it is going to be a live you know, just for a weekly outlook, so we know exactly what we're going to be looking for. Okay, okay, now let's get it started. Okay, so we're going to talk about all of these coins based on alphabetical order. So we're going to start off basically we're going to start off with BTC, so we want basically messed up the routine, right? So Bitcoin, what we're saying, like we had resistance, we knew exactly we're not going to break this level of 40,000, 4001. Guys, remember we talked about it when BTC was right here. We said we're going to be pumping to the upside up to that level. We did that exactly, getting rejected right now. So what we want to see is like we want to get a close above 40,000, just about 40,000 on the 2-day basis. If we can close above 40,000 to 41,000 range over the next like a 24 to 48 hours. The 2-day candle going to close like in just about 48 hours. So within the next 48 hours, you know, if we close above 40,000, 41,000, that's going to be very, very bullish. So that's a setup I'm going to be looking for. Support area we're going to be looking for. Just in case we do not close above 41, 42, we're going to be looking for the 2-day 21 EMA. Once again, right now it is just about 33,000 to 34,000 range. So support level 32 to 34. Okay, that's going to be our support level for BTC. Let's take a look at the 7-day basis. Okay, on the 7 days basis, what we said was like we know exactly our resistance for BTC. It is going to be right here. Guys, as you can see, we're not closing above 39.6, right? You can see like 39.6, it is a very strong resistance, right? So this candle gonna close like on the 12, so like in 4 days. So within the next 4 days, if we close above you know, 39.6, that's going to be very bullish. Remember, on the 2-day basis, we only need to close above 41,000. So if we close above 41,000 within the next like 2 days, it is going to basically confirm the bullishness on the 7 days chart, because most likely the 7 days chart going to close above basically 41,000. Okay, and we only need the 7 days chart to close above 39.6. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Support level to look for on a 7 days basis. Let's say we next week we get a crash. I don't think we will, right? But anything can happen, right? It is going to be just about like a 307, guys. 307, that's going to be the best average to keep an eye on over the next like a few days and so on. Hey, what's up, Rob? Thanks a lot for tuning in, creating a house, right? So now let's take a look at BTC on a 6-hour time frame. On a 6-hour time frame, we're not breaking 6-hour 21 EMA right here. Only Ethereum broke the 6-hour 21 EMA. We're going to take a look at Ethereum. Bang. Okay, on the 8-hour basis, not breaking the 8-hour 21. MACD is not crossing bearish. That's still very, very bullish. Okay, that was our best strategy when BTC was going up right here from like a 17K. What we said, whenever we retest the 8-hour 21, we're gonna suck it up. We're gonna suck it up. Okay, we're gonna pump it to the upside and take it to the moon and all of that good stuff. Right now, we could potentially see a similar structure where we're gonna be breaking out from this point. Okay, it could be a small flat correction right here, right there. We could make a nice double bottom, double top before basically going to the moon and all of that good stuff, right? If we create a double top, double bottom, sideways correction, rejection, we still know exactly what to do. Okay, market, it is still bullish on a 2-day basis. All right, it is still bullish. So if you haven't watched my 50-day cycle video, make sure to go ahead and watch this so you know exactly why I'm very bullish on BTC. Once again, I'm not saying it cannot drop. All I'm saying is it is very bullish. Okay, and the upside potential is there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and move on. Take a look at Bitcoin Cash based on now alphabetical order, right? So Bitcoin Cash, the 2-day time frame, I'm starting to like it. We're not breaking strongly below the 2-day 21 EMA. MACD could cross bullish very, very soon, right? Price action is back above the 2-day 21 EMA. Got rejected just about like a 500. Remember, 500 was our target, right? Just about like a 5 to 518, but we got rejected just about like a 491, so pretty close. So most likely we're going to be retesting somewhere around like a 518. Okay, our next resistance, and we got another resistance up to $600. Okay, so once we break that level this week, we're going to take a look at it later on, but target to look for up to 600. Support level could be a double bottom right here, just about 380, 370 range, just to create a potential let's see, we're not going to get any divergence, right? We're not going to get any divergence. Let's take a look at on the hourly. On the hourly, we already got the divergence, right? On the hourly, we already got the double bottom right here, right? So not quite strong, but it is there. So we just need the hourly time frame to pump above the histogram, and we could potentially get a stronger momentum. A retest of it, it's not going to be a big deal. It's just going to create a divergence on the hourly. So we just don't want to retest it like on retest it on the daily and like a 2-day time frame and close below it. But a retest of 420 to like anywhere around like 420 to $400 range, that's going to be still a bullish pattern over the next like a few days and so on. Now let's take a look at the king, BNB. I told you guys when BNB was like a $30 on the macro scale, right? On the 50-day cycle, what we said was like, if we close above this range, guys, so that's a premium target, guys. That's a premium target. We hit our target when BNB was like $30, guys, $30. Okay, on the 17th, right? I already gave it to you guys, like in my public Telegram group also, right? So I don't think I have time to show you, right? Okay, let's do this. So if you just go ahead and search like BNB USD. So BNB USD. Not that one. BNB USD 50-day cycle right here. So this one I sent it like on December 17th. Okay, and December 17th I did it intentionally. I did not basically just send it like randomly. Okay, BNB was like $30 back then, $30, and I said we're gonna be we're going to be accumulating BNB, right? Right here, because it is likely to break above this resistance on the 50-day cycle. And take a look at it, guys. First target is what? 55. Second target what? 112. Third target what? 275, guys. On December 17th, that's when I gave you all of that good stuff. All right. So something to keep in mind, right, regarding BNB. I don't know why you guys cannot see the when I show you the but if you basically join our public Telegram group, you can see the target. Same target for also for XRP, guys. Told you about XRP already, okay? And same target, I think, for let's see, for Tezos. I don't think I showed you guys Tezos, right? But I don't think I showed you guys Tezos. But let's just go back to the BNB analysis, right? So if you take a look at BNB, we're already breaking out, okay? Upside target to look for. I don't think like it is right now tradable. It is just a huddle position, right? Just by the dip, not financial advice, because the 50-day cycle could be going all the way up to 245. I don't think we're gonna get there within this cycle, but it could be like within the next like 2 cycles, okay? So I would say within the next 100 days we could get to like a 245. Once again, it does not mean BNB not going to retrace down, because remember, you're gonna start like a new cycle on the 19th, right? So this month. So what does it mean? It means like bears, most likely bulls, they're gonna be taking profits next cycle, and it means that we could get some sell off, okay? Going like sometime like later February, early March, and something like that, okay? We could get a nice dip down to $50 again, probably, if the move is not that strong, right? But the move is very, very strong right now. Very, very bullish, as you can see right here, okay? 200 days of nearly 300 days, right here, okay? 300 days of uptrend. So we could get a nice 300 days, I mean not 300 days, but 150 days of an uptrend, right? Before seeing like any pullback, like a strong, like a 50 days pullback, right? So BNB upside target almost $300, okay? Nothing to worry right now regarding BNB moon cycle. So let's go ahead and take a look at DOT, okay? DOT doesn't have enough history for the 50-day cycle, but we're just gonna stick to the 3-day and 2-day cycle. So that was one of our Polkadot was one of our trade setup last week, right? For our weekly outlook, we did say exactly we're going to be breaking out. However, if it dips, we're going to buy it, because we know we still got an uptrend, an upside target up to like a 26. Okay, so once we started the breakout, just about like $16-17, 17.5, we took it all the way up to basically 21.5. Okay, beautifully hit our target, beautifully, guys, beautifully. Now we still got another upside target to the upside, right? We still got another upside target to the upside. So we still got another upside target up to 26. So once we hit our 26 target, we're gonna basically update DOT, but it is still bullish, very accumulative. Not sure if we're gonna hit it this week or not, right? Because sucker could basically move sideways for the next like a couple of days, right? Weeks. But since like we basically created a big accumulation range right here, I don't see like DOT creating another one right here. So it could just be like a 2 to 3 days of sideways correction before the next bump, okay? Because this move right here was not plain, okay? It was a very, very big move, right? Thanks a lot, Tiffany. Make sure to join the premium group, right? So you can get my daily analysis and price target. I've been trying to take care of my, my premium group, right? So and we're doing all goods and all of that good stuff. So just trying to focus on the the premium group over the last few days and so on, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Basically what I was looking for Ethereum is like just about like 1618 to 1580 range. We did retest all the way down to like a 1565. I was still saying, okay, we could potentially, if bears, right, are strong enough, we can still find support anywhere around like a 1420, okay? But it is still bullish. It does not mean like we're gonna be dropping below it and going to like $100 and all of that good stuff. All we're saying is like even if we get a sideways correction, we can retest all the way down to like 1400. It's not going to be a big deal. It is still going to be very accumulative. So Ethereum still very very bullish. Okay, so I don't even think we're going to retest this 1350, but let's just keep an eye on it just in case, so we we're not going to be surprised, right? So upside target to look for Ethereum, right? It is going to move very fast, guys. It is going to move very fast. All right, so we know exactly our previous target was what, 1725, 1618, bang, that's where we're getting our our basically accumulation range. Next upside target going to be what, 2352. We talked about that number before, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at it again. Okay, so Ethereum right here, man, sucker is so bullish, man. Take a look at on the 7 days chart. So bullish, man, so bullish. Sucker could be pumping all the way up. Okay, so what I'm looking for is, like, let's take a look at it again. Right here, swing low to swing high, right here to swing low, right there. We just hit 1-to-1 extension, right? That's like 1777, 1.618 extension. It is going to be right there. Okay, just give or take. Okay, 23 to 24 range. That's going to be the next upside target we're going to be looking for. Not sure if we're going to get there this week or not, because we can still, once again, we can still correct right here before pushing to the upside. At the same time, we got the 2-day 21 EMA, right? Let's take a look at it. 2-day 21 EMA is right there. Right now it is just about 1300. Okay, so it could catch up very soon. All right, so pretty bullish, man. I don't see anything crazy regarding Ethereum. So I don't know why Filecoin is here, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Filecoin. I'm bullish on it, but we weren't supposed to talk about Filecoin. So but File, guys, one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on File is, like, I was very bullish on the EGLD regardless of the fundamentals, right? I was just bullish on it based on the chart. I don't care about fundamentals. Okay, I just take a look at the chart. I don't even care about Filecoin fundamentals neither, right? But Filecoin, guys, I think it is going to be the next AVE in EGLD, right? It's not moving yet. Okay, it is still very accumulative. I've been watching it since File was right here. Okay, right here, this spike right here, okay, right there caught my attention since like February 25th. All right, so it dropped down, okay, like sometime like back in this late December, moved sideways, still very accumulative, pretty much similar to EGLD, right? When EGLD was at $7, guys, $7. Right now it's like nearly $150. So File, guys, if we break this resistance level like 25, we could be looking for, that's a premium target also. It's not like a random analysis, right? So we're gonna be looking for $40, and I don't think like $40 it is even like a sell target. It is just like to maybe reaccumulate, right? Take some profits by the dip, take some profits by the dip, and then let it move to the upside, because we got another one up to like a 765 to 75, right? So keep an eye on Filecoin. It is not a short-term analysis, so it's not like a weekly analysis, but it is likely, going through a, going to like a, second quarter, third quarter, and all of that good stuff, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at VET. Okay, VET BTC, guys, I told you about VET BTC. I'm very bullish on it. Okay, on the macro scale, I'm very bullish on it. Short-term time frame, I'm bullish on it, but the cons for VET is like, it can drop. Okay, it might not give us the stress pump we're looking for, right? Even though I'm very bullish on it, like with this bullish pattern, but I just have to be cautious, because I showed you I got one right here back in August, VChain and Litecoin, both of them I was very bullish on them, but guess what happened? Reaccumulation. Okay, reaccumulation. Are we going to get the same setup again? It might not be the same. We might not get the same setup, because market is very bullish, so I don't see a bearish momentum right now so far, right? So VET bulls might basically escape from the the bearish, the slightly bearish momentum, okay, and we could be pumping to the upside, right? So upside target to look for temporarily, okay, it is going to be right here, guys. This is so bullish, man. Like we almost hit the 1.27 right here, but retrace all the way down. So we're just gonna do another 1.27 to 1.41 extension right here, and then we're gonna be looking for like almost 38 to 39, basically just about 4 cents, give or take, right there. 3.8 to 3.9 cents, right? So that's going to be our next target for upside target for VET, okay? And once again, if it drops within the the next few days, we know exactly what to look for, just about 2.2 to 2.3 for reaccumulation for the next big move to the upside, right? But let's see if we're going to get this move to the downside right here and that, or we just going to pump to the upside because the structure is right there. It is ready to get the job done, okay? Hey, what's up, Mark? So next one we're gonna talk about, it is going to be XLM. XLM is gonna pump so hard. I think it's gonna pump so hard. Yeah, guys, I don't know, but XLM, we're looking for short-term target just about 46 to 50 cents, right? But I got a macro target for XLM. Let's do this, right? Got a macro target for XLM potentially to 75 cents, right? Actually 100. Let's take a look at XLM BTC, because XLM BTC might be a better guidance, right? Because XLM BTC are looking for 1600 sats to 1700 sats. So XLM BTC, what I'm looking for the May to June prices. Remember, XLM did not retest it, okay? Remember when XLM was like 400 sats last year? Okay, we were looking for 1600 sats. We did not retest 1500 sats, right? Which is like 1500 sats is basically June to May to June prices 2019, okay, 2019 prices, right? So we're going to be looking for this move to the upside. That's going to be almost like 86% pump, okay, versus BTC. Okay, so that's a lot. So just like ADA just hit 1700 sats. We talked about ADA 16, 1700 sats long time ago, guys. But our short-term target was like 1400. We even pump above our short-term target. So XLM, keep an eye on it. We could get there, right here over the next like a few days, probably this week. Okay, it could be this week. If that's the case, that's going to be great. Okay, that's going to be nice. So keep an eye on XLM up to 1600 sats, right? So Zilliqa, very bullish on Zilliqa also, right? Slightly bearish pattern also, but we're just gonna suck it up, right? Let's take a look at it. Slightly bearish, getting some sort of rejection right here, but we're gonna be looking for 1.27 to 1.41. We're not breaking below the 2-day 21 EMA. We're not breaking below the 3-day 21 EMA, so that's a pretty good move. You take a look at the sell volume right here, it is very low, so nothing to worry about. Okay, once we break like 8 cents, it could be a free ride all the way up to 12 cents. Okay, that's a premium target too, so it's not like a random target. Okay, once again, so it is not a it is a good setup to pay attention to over the next like a few days. So let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. I'm very bullish on it, right? So on the lower degree, Litecoin, it is giving us one of our favorite setup, which is like double top, double bottom, price getting supported by the your 21 EMA on the 8-hour or 6-hour, whichever you're comfortable with. Beautiful setup, low volume while price is decreasing right here, so it is just gonna pump. It's just inevitable. Okay, it is inevitable. So Litecoin very bullish. We're going to be looking for 205, 215, and after that we're going to be looking for 250 area up to $300. Okay, but these 205 going to be next accumulation range, and after that we're going to be looking for 250 and then $300 range, but would focus, okay, only at 205 to 250, just in case market decides to reverse and Litecoin has to retest again 180 and so on, right? So let's focus on 205 to 215. Beautiful descending triangle formation. Most bears got wrecked again shorting this sucker right here. I told you don't short the market when BTC was giving you guys what, descending triangle. What I said, don't look at the descending triangle, okay? Look at the wedge pattern, because sucker gonna go back to 40,000, guys. Bang, Okay, all the bears got wrecked. So we're gonna be looking for this move. Very bullish on Litecoin, guys. I'm very bullish on Litecoin, guys. Very bullish. I'm gonna keep saying it, guys. Litecoin is gonna basically you know, steal the show over the next few days and so on, right? So let me take a look at the chat room. So we talked about VET, BTC, XLM, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, BNB, ADA, Ethereum, right? So we basically done with everything. Okay, that's like 10 coins, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 coins. Okay, beautiful setup. And most of these coins, guys, not most, but all of them top coins. Okay, I'm not talking about any like low cap. BNB, we talk about it like when it was so cheap. Okay, Litecoin, we're talking about it like it is very cheap, because we could see like $3,000 Litecoin, guys, within this bull run. Okay, don't go ahead and buy Litecoin because I'm saying so, right? But we could see a $3,000 Litecoin if we're going to be expecting $10,000 ETH, right? Just something to keep in mind. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take like a couple of requests, so I won't basically make this live stream too long. It is already 30 minutes, right? So if you guys have any requests, I can take a look at them, and we're gonna call it a day. Yeah, I mean, it is just for a weekly analysis, and but I don't want to go through the macro analysis, so we just BNB $75, man. Sucker is pumping, man. Poloniex, I don't know why it's not showing up. XLM BTC, maybe XLM USDT. I don't know why, but Poloniex is not showing up for XLM. These suckers. Let's do this all. Yeah, I can't find it on Poloniex. It should be the XLM BTC. Oh, I think XLM, they call it something else on Poloniex. I think it's called Stellar. I forgot. Stellar. I don't know why Poloniex got different different ticker. Yeah, it's called like STR. Okay, STR, yes, Poloniex. So let's check it on the 50-day cycle. Yeah, take a look at this sucker on the 50-day cycle, looking so julish, man. Like, it is so juicy, right? Look at this guy. It is so juicy, man. Like look at this, guys. It is so juicy, man. That's like, if we close above all time, like XLM is at all time high, really. Yeah, on the 50-day cycle, sucker is above all time high. Yeah, it is above all time high. So not all above, but like getting ready to close above all time high based on a closing basis. You see what I'm saying? Like the 50-day cycle could not close above 43 cents, so 43 cents is all time high. Okay, so not the wick to the upside, right? So if we close above like 43, man, sucker could be mooning. Okay, could be mooning. All right, no question asked. Okay, it's gonna moon. So let's take a look at a STR. Guys, I'm just gonna take a look at a few coins. Okay, versus BTC, guys. That's what I was trying to show you. All right, regarding VET, the BTC pair, the BTC pairing. Okay, it is right here. It is like at the double bottom, finding a nice support. But the dollar value is like all the way up, looking to break resistance, right? So that's going to be very, very bullish, because we're bullish anyway on our you know, BTC, you know, excellent BTC. Okay, we're looking for excellent BTC to break above like 1600 sats, right? And right now, if you take a look at on the 50-day cycle, the resistance is not even like, you know, 1600. It is almost like 2000 sats, okay, 2000 to 2400 sats range, okay. So very, very bullish, pretty much similar to the XRP chart, right? Same thing, okay. XRP, same thing, okay, same exact chart. So we could be going all the way back up to like all-time high 4000 sats. So Saka is very, very Julish, man, very, very Julish, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at MFT. Main frame. Saka is just pumping also. Not a big pump on a macro cycle, but on a 3-day basis, it looks pretty good, and it looks pretty similar to a Luna, right? Luna and also Sia coin, whatever, right? They got the same setup. So I mean, I think it is still a hold, right? We just hit like June prices right there, but I think it is also time to take profit. Can it go high? Yes, it can go high, but you might be waiting for for another, you know, accumulation range right here, while you can basically buy other assets right here. You take a look at Luna BTC. It is the same setup, okay. Luna just pumped to the upside, man. Let's see. Luna thing, okay, same setup right here. See, Luna BTC has the longer history, same exact setup, okay. So it is, they doing the same thing, okay. You take a look at Sia coin. Sia is also ready to create some damages, okay. So Sia is also very, very bullish. I think like Sia gonna catch up, and it is gonna pump all the way up to 70 sats to like even like 120 sats, okay. So keep an eye on SCBTC also, right? So Pulse, I think I just analyzed Pulse yesterday. Pulse, let's check the Pulse USDT. Okay, Pulse USDT, just analyzed it yesterday, looking for like a 3.6 to like a $4.4, okay, $4.40, right? So beautiful setup. Just looking for a 1-to-1 extension to the upside, because it doesn't have any resistance, so I don't want to basically do too much analysis on it and try to be bearish and all of that good stuff. But support level right here, did respect it, did not even quite dip to the support level. 2-day 2-1 EMA going to be your best friend. Any dips at the 2-day 2-1 EMA has to be a buy. Just check Pulse. Yeah. WIFIBTC. Yeah, WIFIBTC is also very accumulative. I already gave you guys a I think it's Wi-Fi 1 or 2. Which one? Wi-Fi 1. The Twin Towers. They like to pump hard. So WIFIBTC, I just gotta give it time, right? Right here, I was bullish on it back then, right there with this move right here. It is gonna pump very hard, guys. It is gonna pump like crazy, okay? It is gonna pump like crazy. We got a beautiful support right here, trend line. Hopefully it's not gonna break it, right? Hopefully that's the trend line you're talking about, right? So I don't think it is going to break it, because if you take a look at Wi-Fi USD, it reminds me of Zilliqa, okay? Zilliqa, not Zilliqa, but Compound. I'm going to show you Compound right later on, right there, okay? You take a look at the 2-day 2-1 EMA, we're not breaking it. It is just not time for it to break out, but it is going to break out very soon, okay? So 4,000 going to be immediate resistance, and then we're going to be looking for 55,000, and we got a target up to 80,000, guys. And I showed you that analysis for Wi-Fi going all the way up to 80,000. So something to keep in mind regarding Wi-Fi, all right? So yeah, that is back above $20. So Sucker is also back above 1640. So let me see. All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, right? I already checked all your requests, polls. Hey, what's up, Ivan? Wi-Fi, BTC, all of that good stuff. XLM. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. All right.